चन्द्रहासोज्ज्वलकरा शार्दूलवरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभं दद्यात् देवी दानवघातिनी.
Hello and welcome to our channel Life and Style. Today is the day 6 of Navratri, the 9 sacred nights of Mata Durga. This day, the 6th day, is dedicated to the worship of Ma Katyayani. Ma Katyayani is the daughter of sage Katyayan, hence the name Katyayani. She is also known as Mahishasur Mardani because she killed Mahishasur the demon in a fierce battle. So far we have seen the roop of Mata or the avatars of Mata who have been such loving, kind, sharing, caring forms of Goddess Durga. Yes, we have seen the manifestation of Goddess Durga as the giver, the provider, the giver of light, of love, of peace and wisdom. But let us understand today that if Mata is loving and caring, when the time arises, Mata also becomes a fierce warrior who kills the evil around. So whenever there is darkness, ignorance, whenever the evil forces grip the world, Mata rises and shines like a true warrior to demolish and destroy these evil forces. So Mata Katyayani also represents the mighty form of Mata Durga, the might, the power, the potential to destroy the evil. She emerges victorious in the battle against the demon Mahishasur. Just like this avatar and this form of Ma Durga, we have within us the two forces, the evil force and the good force. And Mata teaches us to vanquish all evil within us, overcome the negative energies, destroy them through the goodness within you. It can be done only through the power, the potential that you possess to destroy and demolish the destructive tendencies like greed, like jealousy, like anger. Also, Mata is said to define constructive anger because anger is of two types, destructive and constructive. Constructive anger is anger that arises out of your wisdom to fight against the negative energies, and it can transform your personality to become more positive. However, the destructive anger emerges out of your emotions and also out of your selfishness. So when this overpowers you, it will only give you a negative transformation, not a positive transformation. We have to decide that whether we have to embrace the evil forces or we have to embrace the good forces. There has been a perennial conflict between the good and evil in this universe. But whenever evil grips us, then God emerges in one form or the other to rescue this world from the evil and lead us towards the path of goodness. Similarly, let us walk towards the path of goodness. Let us conquer all evil energies, all negativities, and emerge and surface more stronger. Wishing you more victory, more strength, and more goodness on this auspicious occasion. Leaving you on this note, and once again requesting you all to keep watching our videos. Till then, goodbye, take care of yourselves, have a great day, and wish you once again very happy Navratri. Bye-bye from Life and Style.